guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my February favorites. In the month of January and February I went on 2 trips, one to Las Vegas and one to California. So while I was there I was definitely shopping a lot. So this haul just mainly consists of makeup and skincare products because I've been trying out a lot of new stuff. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first product I have is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is a makeup remover and I've heard so many YouTubers talk about it. I finally decided I need to try it out for myself. So basically this is a makeup removing balm, and when you rub it into your hands it actually melts down and becomes like kind of an oil, and then you apply it to your face and I swear this stuff removes all of your makeup. Like, believe the hype. This is a product that has been hyped up a lot, and I mean, I completely agree with the hype. Like, this is insane. I have combination skin, so I was really afraid that this would break me out, but it hasn't broken my skin out at all, and I've probably been using it like every single day the month of February. I've stopped using makeup remover wipes because of this, which has saved me a lot of money, because this, it says it's a 3.8 ounce, like, jar. Yeah, this will probably last you a long time. Like, I've used it every single day for the entire month, and like I probably use 1/4 of it, or yeah, 1/4 of it. And the thing I didn't really like about makeup remover wipes is you have to like kind of like tug at your skin, and I know that tugging at your skin can cause premature wrinkles, so I wanted something that was a lot more gentle, but at the same time, like, the only thing I could think of was like balms and oils, and a lot of them in the past have broken me out, so I was really afraid to try something new. But this is definitely a good one. Definitely recommend. Honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 product, so, you know, pick it up, try it out. I'm sure you guys will like it too. The next product I have is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, and mine is in the shade Light Medium Sand. I'm a huge fan of this foundation, oh my gosh. I'm actually wearing it right now, and I just really love this foundation. It's super natural. Honestly, it's kind of like a water consistency. I understand why it's called a water foundation. It's like light to medium coverage, but it's definitely buildable. It does not become cakey whatsoever because it is like a really like watery consistency, as I said. My favorite part of it is it's got this like dropper kind of thing, and yeah, it's just really fun to play around with. Definitely use a brush to blend out your foundation if you're going to use this. For like a week or so I was using my beauty blender, and I found that kind of like soaked up the product a little bit just because this is a watery consistency, and like I would wet my beauty blender and like I guess some of this like soaked into the sponge. So after I switched to using my foundation brush, it just made sure I didn't waste any products, since, you know, I understand Tarte is pretty pricey. But yeah, if you're looking for a natural foundation, I would definitely recommend this one. So the next favorite I have for this month is the Tatcha Water Cream. This I got from Sephora, and it was hella expensive. Just gonna put that out there. Do I think it was worth the price? Maybe not. I think you could find something better for a cheaper price. I know that Peter Thomas Roth, that brand has a like water kind of cream, and it's a little bit cheaper than this one. I think it's like within like $10 cheaper or something like that. I've heard good things about that one too, so that one might be worth checking out. But I mean, I'm not mad that I got this. I haven't returned it yet, obviously. I've been using it every single day, and I found that like these like water consistency like foundations and like moisturizers have really been trending, and I mean, I'm a huge fan of it. This cream blends into your skin so nicely, and it's perfect for like, you know, at night after you take a shower, or even before you put on your makeup. It definitely acts kind of like a primer as well. It just makes your skin so unbelievably smooth. Guys, if you're not gonna buy this, at least like go to Sephora and try it out on the back of your hand or something, and you'll be shocked by how much it like covers like all the wrinkles and like lines in your hands. As I said, it's just super like silky smooth, makes your skin so soft, and I've definitely seen the texture of my skin improve over this past month using this cream. As I said, I've been using it like every single day this month, and I would say I'm about halfway through. So it's definitely, you know, I'm gonna have to buy another one next month. It is really expensive, so I might have to change creams, but you know, it was nice while it's lasted. Something I'm a huge fan of is at the top, it's got like this little like spoon, I guess you could say, so you can scoop out the moisturizer. So that way you don't have to keep like getting the moisturizer with your finger, just because that can be a little bit unsanitary sometimes. So yeah, I really like the little spoon. So the last thing I have for this month is the Kylie Lip Kit, and this is in the shade Coco K. I bought this like I'd probably say at the end of last year, like the end of 2017. And to be completely honest, I kind of forgot I had it. Like I don't really wear that many lip products like on a day-to-day basis, like when I'm going to school. I just wear them for like fancy occasions. But since I've started making YouTube videos again, I've been reaching for my lip products, and since I've been traveling, I've been reaching for my lip products, and I've just really come to love this product. I definitely understand why people like Kylie lip kits, just because like the formula of her products are really great, and you get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick like in this combo for a pretty affordable price. I don't remember how much exactly it was, but I definitely do remember that it was like the price of the lip liner and the liquid lipstick is a price that you can get some liquid lipsticks for, like just one liquid lipstick without the liner at like a Sephora or something. So yeah, it's pretty affordable. And the thing I really like about the shade Coco K is it's a pretty light pink, and I've never been really able to find a light pink shade that worked well with my skin tone or that didn't look too like Barbie pink like. I really like this shade, one of the first like light pinks that I've kind of been able to pull off, so excited about that. And also I'm sure you guys have all heard, but these smell so good. They smell like basically birthday cake or like cupcakes. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my February favorites. If you guys like seeing these kind of like monthly favorite videos, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see any other types of videos, leave your suggestions down in the comments below. I always like to see what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!